Evoking the timeless feel of a European estate, Villa del Lago combines classic style with every conceivable state-of-the-art convenience. The Newport Coast property includes various Mediterranean and Italian architectural touches, a roughly 18,000 square foot house, pavilion, gardens, a 1-acre lake, indoor and outdoor pools, a tennis court, vineyards, and a horse stable. The villa is set on 12.5 acres, the largest estate parcel in coastal Orange County, with panoramic views of canyons, city lights, and Pacific Ocean vistas. Beyond the gatehouse entry is an elegantly landscaped world unto itself, a cascading lake of over 1 acre, tennis court, stable and riding ring, putting green, pool pavilion, and an organic edible garden. A wine cave is located along the lake. In terms of its exterior design, the villa evokes a sense of classic and traditional Mediterranean charm. Inside, you will find beautiful marbled floors and cascading staircases, exquisite chandeliers and lighting fixtures, ornate and glamorous wall decor, detailed ceiling framework, luxurious and plush upholstery. There is an option for any and every occasion. And with more than enough room to accommodate your guests, you won't have to sacrifice your space or seclusion when hosting others. The master wing comes equipped with its own living room and private screening room, as well as an expansive master suite. Basement-level amenities include an indoor pool, high-tech theater, gym and sauna, wine cellar, and staff rooms. The 14-car garage is a car collector's dream. Villa del Lago had an asking price as high as $87 million before the price dramatically dropped over several years,